Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's Lady M here, and in today's video, I'm coming at you with another foundation first impressions review and a little bit of a wear test today. And I'm also sprinkling some other new purchases that I picked up also during the Sephora haul that I have not had a chance to use. So I'm going to be using that in today's video as well. But before we hop into today's video, if you aren't already subscribed, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you like the content here on my channel, that is, of course. And while you're there, if you aren't not getting notified when I upload new videos, then be sure to hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's foundation first impressions review and wear test. All right, so let's get into the video. Again, I'm going to be using a lot of new products today. I'll be sure to list everything in the description box down below. These are stuff that I picked up a while ago in my Sephora haul, and I'm just now getting around to using the items. So first thing today for my foundation, I'm excited to be trying the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation, and it's the shade 50N. So we're going to test this out together. Oh boy, this is, I hope this like oxidizes or something. Oopsie. And I'm just gonna try and use like just all affordable products today, just like, you know, brands that have like, you know, more affordable products. I'm gonna be using that today, and I am going to just kind of spread this out. Y'all, it has been like raining non-stop, and every day it's like you don't want to do anything. I don't want to go to work. I'm just like, meh, you know, kind of blah. So yeah, I have been excited to try this, and I also have the setting powder from Sephora collection, their translucent setting powder, and I'm gonna be using that today. And yeah, so let me just blend out this side right here. Okay, not bad, pretty natural. At first I thought the color was gonna be kind of cray-cray, but it's not looking bad. Yeah, and then all this COVID stuff is still like going in the wrong direction. So I'm like, what is really going on? You know, I'm supposed to be going in the good direction of getting things back to normal, but now it just seems like it's a no. You know what I mean? All right, so yeah, so far this is looking good. I probably will say it's more medium coverage, honestly, because I can still see some, like my, what is this called? Beauty spots. I can still see those on my, like, peeking through. So definitely getting more medium coverage, and I can just kind of pat it in here just to kind of see if that does anything. I'm also going to be using Tower Beauty today. I have some of their cream bronzers that I have been wanting to try, so I'm also going to use that today. But it's just like a full face of newness, not like new releases, but just newness to me. Okay, so what do you guys think so far? I'm like, the color looks pretty good. I think it's a true neutral color. I don't feel like it's too yellow or like too goldeny. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with one more round of foundation, and then I'm gonna do my concealer, and then we'll be back. Ooh, so I blended out the blush, the cream blush, which was the Tower Beauty in the shade Power Hour. You guys didn't see that, I'm so sorry. Yeah, Power Hour. For my cream bronzer, I used, oh man, I got makeup all over this. That's the problem with like white packaging. Anyway, I use the Makeup by Mario contour stick, and that was nice. It's very natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of set my face now with number one. I'm gonna use first the Kosas Cloud Set. This is their baked powder. And then I'm going to set my under eye with the Sephora translucent powder. Okay, so let's go ahead and knock that out. All right, so now I have the setting powder. I've mushed it, so now I'm just picking it up and just going to press that in under my under eye. Ooh, this looks really nice. Okay, Sephora. Compare the one to the undone under eye. Wow, smooth. Now let's go in with the other eye area, forehead area, right here, and let me just keep patting this out under my eye. Not too shabby. Okay. Now I'm just gonna let a little bit sit so I can bake just a little bit. Not too much. Just bake just a little. Yep. Just a little bakeroo. Come down my nose with a little powder. Do in here with a little powder. Let me just set my eyes. And yeah. That's it. Not too shabby. I like it. But let's see what it looks like when I dust it away. Okay? That's the true test. Going with a little more, just to kind of bake a little bit. And then I'm gonna do my eyes off camera, and then I'll be back with the finished look and then any thoughts on the foundation. Okay, be right back, guys. Okay, so I finished my eyes off, and now I'm gonna go in with the Sephora bronzer. This is in the shade Ibiza. Yep, Ibiza. And I'm gonna use my Morphe brush. And I haven't used this bronzer in a while, so we're gonna be using it today. Nice. I'm gonna come down my nose area. Whoa. This is so pretty and natural. I'm gonna just tap it into my forehead area. Ooh, that was a lot. I need to just go ahead and blend that out. Ooh, ooh, yes. I love this color bronzer. I did a bronzer video a couple months ago. So be sure to check that out so you can see what some of the bronzers that I use are. Or if you're in the market for new bronzer, you will be able to find something in that video, because I did go over like creams and then powders, and I'm just going down the nose. Okay. So yeah, that is the bronzer. All right, I'm going to do my lips, and then we'll just come back on and finish off today's video. All right. All right, guys, so I am back. I finished the rest of my face. I went in with my bronzer. Obviously, I used the Sephora bronzer. And then for my lip, I just had to mention this because I forgot how much I really love this. And this is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. And this one is in the shade Stone. So yeah, I had to pull that out. I used I was going to use the Tower 28 lip thing in coconut, but it's really pink, and I didn't really want anything pink. And then I put it on top of a pink lipstick. So I probably could have done this on its own just to give me like a wash of color like what I have now. But I took it off, and then I went in with just the lip liner and the Maybelline gloss. But anyway, you're not here to hear about that. So yeah, I am looking at the foundation, and I think it is medium coverage. Definitely buildable to full coverage. I still feel like I probably got medium to full coverage going on right now. But so far so good. I really like it. I feel like it has like a natural finish. It's not matte. It's kind of matte, but more on the natural side. And I did use this setting spray. You guys know that I love setting sprays. So I did use or test this out, the Professional Super Setter from Benefit Cosmetics. And that's what I used to set my face. So that possibly could have like mattified my face a little bit. But nonetheless, I still like the way that the foundation looks. I think that it is a good match. It's very neutral. So that's really good for me anyway, because some stuff too golden kind of turns really funky on me. So I think Sephora did a good job with the color. And I think there's more shades after this one. So it's not like the darkest, shade. They have a little shade selection going on. All right, guys, I am going to wear this for a little bit. Let's see, what time is it? It is 6:48 p.m. right now, 6:48. I'm gonna have this on for a little bit. I'm gonna go run a little bit of errands and stuff, be around the house, and then I'll jump back on to show you what it's looking like, maybe in about 2 hours or so. Not like a full 8 hours or anything. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned for my little check-in. And thank you guys for joining me in today's video. Again, if you're not already subscribed, then make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And if you are already subscribed, then make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Okay, so I jumped back on really quickly. It is now, what time is it? 8:18, and this is like 2 hours in, which is a good time for the foundation to kind of settle, dry down, your oils kind of start seeping through and everything. And so I wanted to show you guys what the foundation was looking like. Definitely more natural, I have to say, more natural finish. I'm not a blotter or anything, but the only place that I feel like, you know, I probably want to like zap really quickly is just right here, like even my cheeks. But I did put on highlighter, so that's the highlighter that's just giving me that nice glow that's coming through here. But yeah, that's what it's looking like about 2 hours in. And so far I like it. But that's pretty much it. I'm about to like get ready for my next day tomorrow, meal prep, yada yada yada. So I'm about to take this off in the next 30 minutes or so. But all right, guys, thank you. Just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like. Yeah, so see you next time.